So here I am present with one seed. The name of this seed is jackfruit seed, that is kettle seed. Now you can see this seed is the dicot seed, and that seed having a side, you can see this one side is a micropylar from where they are absorbing the water, and this is the part of the plumule, and this is the part of radicle. From here the shoot will come, and from that side root will come. So you can see here, that is the shoot one. This is the root part, you can see this is the root, right? That is the root, and that is originated from the radicle. This is the covering, and that covering is very hard, that is seed covering. So I am opening this covering so that I can show you. That is the dicot. It have the 2 cotyledon, and both cotyledon have a good number of endosperm. So this is the covering, that is the integument, we can say seed coat, clear? And that aperture you can see, that is the micropylar aperture. Now when we are opening the seed, you can see one more layer, so that is called the tegmen, and that is the testa. 2 covering, and when you open it, you will get this kind of a structure. Okay, see carefully. This one is the future plant. That means this is the shoot plant. You can see very clearly and very beautifully it is seen here. This is, you can see this one, that is the part of shoot, and root germinate initially. So you can see this much size of the root it have, and this root is the primary root, that is kind of the taproot system. Radicals, you can see hairs also here, right? Hairs. And this is 2 cotyledon, 1 and 2. You can see from the back side also. So it is very beautifully structured here. That is the embryo. That same thing is known as embryo. And that embryo, see, if I open this one, I am getting the same kind of a structure, same kind, but that is not fully developed here. In this, that is fully developed. So you can see here, this is after opening, we are getting the 2 cotyledon, so it is the dicot, and this is the part of the embryo which give the future plant, that is baby plant. Now you can see this is the main embryo, and that is going to give rise radicle and plumule. Now this plumule in future it develop into the shoot, and now this one you can see it is already developed into the root. Clear? This is 2 cotyledons, that is full with the endosperm, that is the food for this baby. Clear? So this is all about the dicot seed.